Are you tired of clicking through menus just to archive an email? Learn how to archive any email with one key in under 2 minutes. First, we'll enable custom keyboard shortcuts in Gmail settings. Then, I'll show you the exact key to press. First, make sure keyboard shortcuts are enabled by navigating to Gmail's homepage. Then, click the gear icon at the top right corner to open Settings. Now, click See All Settings to access the full Settings menu. Next, click on the Advanced tab at the top of the Settings page. Scroll down to find the Custom Keyboard Shortcuts option. Go ahead and click Enable to turn on custom shortcuts. Once that's done, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply the setting. Now, open the email you want to archive by clicking on it. Then, simply press the E key on your keyboard and Gmail will archive it instantly, returning you to your inbox. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.